Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to create a navigation menu in Elementor. We'll go through everything from opening your WordPress dashboard to customizing your menu, and finally designing your page with Elementor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to have a fully functional navigation menu for your website, and I'll guide you through each step carefully so you won't get lost. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is open our WordPress dashboard, then go to the left side of the screen and hover over the Appearance menu and click Menus, which takes us to a new screen where we can create our menu. Then we will customize our menu right there, and we can check the ones we want to add to our menu, then click Add to Menu. After we finish customization, we will click the blue button that says Save Menu. Now that we have created our menu, we will go to the left side of the screen and open the Pages section and click Edit with Elementor, so we can design the page and place the elements visitors will see when they open our website. Then a new screen appears, so if we see an option that says Elementor, then we will click Edit with Elementor at the bottom of the screen. But if you don't see one, like I'm not seeing one, go to the left side of the screen and click the option below Pages that says Add Pages. Then a new screen appears, which we will go to the top middle part of the screen and click Edit with Elementor. So that's it for creating a navigation menu in Elementor. Just to quickly summarize the steps we covered, first we opened our WordPress dashboard, then went to the left side of the screen, hovered over the Appearance menu, and clicked on Menus. This took us to the menu creation screen where we could customize everything, select the pages we wanted, and click Add to Menu. Once the menu looked good, we clicked the blue Save Menu button. After that, we moved to the Pages section on the left side and clicked Edit with Elementor to design our page. If you see the Elementor option at the bottom, just click it. But if not, you can add a new page and then click Edit with Elementor at the top middle of the screen. And that's how you create a navigation menu and set up your pages with Elementor. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.